What's up guys, and welcome back to my 12th Python tutorial, and today I'm going to talk about slicing. So I've already talked about slicing in tutorial 9, but today it's going to be a little bit different. So today is going to be more focused on using slicing to edit lists. So I'm going to set an example like this, and then make a list out of the word ants. Oh man, my typing is kind of rusty. Oh wait, I'm doing this totally wrong. I'm embarrassed. So now the example list is gonna be looking like this, and what I'm gonna do is change the elements so I can make it look like aunt instead of ants. And how you do it is example one and on. And just to remind you guys, leaving the thing blank after the colon means it goes to the end. So since it starts here, it goes to the end here. And I'm going to replace it with, I have to spell it UNT. So like this. And now the list is going to be look like this, aunt. So that's how you guys replace a part of the list. And also, you guys don't have to replace the exact amount of characters. You can replace whatever the length you want it to be. So this time I'm gonna make it a little bit shorter by replacing the thing to spell add. So like this. Then when you do this, it becomes add. And yeah. I'm gonna create a new list now. So I'll do something like that. Oops. 47. Oh man. My thing is really off now, huh? So I want to create a new list. And what we're gonna do is replace in the middle of the list now. So what we have to do is sample 1 1, and we're gonna replace it with 2 and 3. Yeah. And when we print this, we have 2 3 in the middle. So what this pretty much does is if it's just two number, the same number twice, it just means that it's right before the number that you're trying to go for. So it's, look at this, it's 4 since it's the first element, but yeah, and then it's right before it, so it's right here. And that's how you make lists a little bit bigger. And the last thing I want to talk about is making lists smaller. So now I want to delete this thing from my list and go back to original. So what I have to do now is example. So this is the first to the third. Remember guys, the first one is inclusive, so it includes this, and the third one is, the second one is exclusive, so it doesn't include this one. And what you guys do to replace the emptiness is just replacing it with empty list. So now this is gonna be like this, and we're back to original one. So that's how you guys delete elements from a list with slicing. And yeah, that's about it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something. You guys should go and practice this, as the indexes like these can be confusing, and I made some mistakes too, so I'll be practicing it also. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.